Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mseleku. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, share and also like this video. So attention seeking slay queen who goes by the name Queen Lolly went to the Amakopeni podcast, which is hosted by Mseleku, you guys, and revealed that she had been sleeping with Mseleku's son Unompumelelo, you guys. Not only that, she also played an audio of her and Mseleku having TLOF TLOF, you guys.
Am I fucking Mseleku or not?
Tom, I'm asking when. Like, to me, this doesn't bring context. This is just.
We don't want the content.
We're
dealing with the real shit.
Yeah, when did it happen? When did you see him?
2 weeks back.
So this audio comes 2 weeks ago.
Yes.
And how long were you seeing him?
They are not aware of. This is 2 weeks back or a week, just a week or 2 weeks back. Sorry.
But you also understand that you have an opportunity to let me see for myself. Because right now...
You can't see me fucking my
Tom,
man.
I don't want to see you fucking your man, but I want conversation. Prior to your fuckation, there would be conversation.
And well, you guys, just today, Queen Lolly went to her TikTok to address Mseleku's son, Umpumelelo, who allegedly threatened her and called her Isfebe. So this is what Queen Lolly had to say. Please check out this video and please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.
Wangidla, wangiphika, I bring evidence. Umudla kanjani umuntu kuze kuphele u6 months uloku uphindelele wena. And then bese uyamphika. Hayibo. Phela kusho ukuthi labo bafazi bakho olo mfazi wakho akakunikezi lento engikunikeza yona. Manje ke ungiphikelani mangabe sekuvela? Hayi mina I bring evidence. How I bring evidence wemalo? Hayibo wangidla nje wangiphika I bring evidence. Ufunani kunondindwa mawukuthi unondindwa unamahloni ukuthi wena kuthiwa udate unondindwa ngoba phela shuthi intombazane engaqoka unondindwa well wangidla wangiphika I go bring evidence.